Hey, this is Kevin Hatchby. We're here to chat with our amazing clients, Ian and Julie, about their renovation journey. This was a family home built in 1953 by Julie's grandpa. The transformation here was unreal, and happy to show it to you.
We're living in Julie's old family house here. And the reality was, Julie, years and years ago when we got together, we always loved this place. I spent a great deal of time taking care of the yard and doing the things with my mother-in-law, Julie's mom. It just evolved over time to say, you know what, someday we'd love to have this place.
The open plan is just wonderful, and now we've got the kitchen window that you can just open up and you can communicate with everybody outside and on the patio. We love that part. Family comes over and they just love it. They go, it's still a real cozy family home, and it's done really well. And I think my mom and dad can still come over from across the road at Amica. They can trundle on over and come out and enjoy the backyard and enjoy the house.
Well, I'm in the wood business. The reality for me, I want to show off wood. I want to show off what we have with, some nice fir posts and some fir beams and some pine soffitting, cedar deck and all that sort of good stuff, and the finished product, and we're so thrilled. We truly are. It's just become our little sanctuary. Good days and bad, we got the heaters underneath the overhang, so we have the ability to be out here and extend our summers with that. And then being around the fire pit. Twin Lions has created a wow for us, and we're just so thrilled to tell everybody we know.
Thanks for watching.